Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes? Okay, so what we have learned in our previous class, children? Yes, we have learned about the animals and birds' names. Yes, we have seen the different animals and we have colored also them. So, what animals we have seen? We have seen the rabbit, lion, monkey, giraffe, fish, bear. Yes, so these are the animals which we see in the zoo. We have colored them with the pencil and we have written their names. So, in the next page, we have seen about the birds. Yes, so we have seen what are the different birds are there. Yes, there is an eagle, parrot, crow, hen, duck and an owl. Yes, and also we have seen the different animals and birds which are there in the zoo. So what animals are there in the zoo? Yes, we have seen there in the zoo bear, tiger, snake, zebra, peacock is a bird, giraffe, parrot, duck, monkey, camel and lion. Yes, so this we have seen in our previous class. Today we are going to sing a song. Okay, are you excited to sing a song, children? Okay, let's sing, and also you have to sing with me. Okay, so for that you have to open your second class English textbook and page number 12. Okay, so here children, this is the page number 12 which is given in the left corner, top 1 to 12. So what is the page number it is, children? 1 to 12. Okay, so here they have given one song which we have to sing now. And what animals are there given in the picture? Let's see here. What animals are here? See, here are the two monkeys which are hanging to a branch of a tree, and two birds which are flying here. There is a tree, and see here there are the two elephants, two frogs and peacocks. Yes, so every animal has their own skill. Yes, what is the skill of the cat? It digs the soil and eats the rat. Yes, duck. What duck has the skill, children? Duck has the skill of swimming. So like that, there are the many animals who have their own skills, and they are the different skills. Every animal has the different skill in them. So here we are going to see about them, what skills these animals have in this poem. Okay, so let's sing, children. Just like this. What is the name of the poem is? Just like this. J-U-S-T, just, L-I-K-E, like, T-H-I-S, this. Just like this. So okay children, let's start singing the poem here. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. Okay children, so here what is the skill of the monkey, children? Monkeys are jumping. So monkeys have the skill of jumping from one tree to another. So they are jumping from one tree to another. So they just jump like this. And the peacock, you know the peacock is, children? Where is the peacock in this picture? Yes, here is the peacock, and which has the colorful and beautiful feathers, and it is called our national bird. Yes, so the peacocks are dancing. You know children, peacocks dance in the rainy season. Yes, when the clouds are filled with the water, at that time these peacocks dance very beautifully. So peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. And the elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. So how these elephants are stamping? Stamping means, children, they are keeping their foot heavily on the ground. See here in this picture how they have shown how these elephants have lift their leg and how they are stamping on the ground very heavily. So the elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. Okay children, so here we have seen about the three animals and about their skills. So monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this, and the peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. and the elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. Next we are going to write about the other animals, what the skills they have in them. Okay, so they asked us add more lines to the song. So the frogs are hopping. So here the frogs are hopping. Here we are going to write Hopping. The frogs are hopping. And here we are going to write Just, just, like, like, this, this. Just like this. Just, just, like, like, this, this. So the frogs are hopping just like this, just like this means they are jumping. You know, they hop, frog jump when you do in the school, frog jumping. So that is called the hopping. So frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. Next, what do the birds do, children? See here what these birds are doing. Yes, they are flying in the sky. No? So we are going to write here the birds are flying. 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 The birds are flying. Just, just, like, like, this, this. Just like this. Just, just, like, like, this, this. So the birds are flying just like this, just like this. And the next animal which we have to write our own. Can you tell, children, which animal we are going to write here? Okay, let's take the example of the rabbit. How rabbit runs, children, very fast, no? So we are going to write here the rabbits, rabbits. Rabbits run. The rabbits, sorry, here are. The rabbits are running. Running. Just, just, like, like, this, this. Just like this. Just, just, like, like, this, this. So the rabbits are running just like this, just like this. Okay. So once again we are going to sing a song, children, which we have written here about the all animals and their skills. Yes. Okay. Let's sing once again. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. The frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The rabbits are running just like this, just like this. Okay, so children, so these are the skills which the animals have in them. Monkeys jump, peacocks dance, elephants stamp, frogs hop, birds fly, and the rabbits are running. Okay, so how nice and clear picture is given here. See how nicely these birds are flying in the sky. These monkeys are trying to jump from one tree to another. And here these two elephants, how nicely they are stamping their foot on the ground. And here these two peacocks, they are dancing. And the frogs are hopping. So here we have added the one more animal which is not given here in the picture, which is that rabbit. So rabbits are running just like this, just like this. Okay. So what is the skill of the monkey, children? Jumping. Peacock skill is dancing. Elephant skill is stamping. Frog skill is hopping. Bird skill is flying. Rabbit skill is running. Now, if we tell rabbit to fly like a bird, would he fly? No. So, every animal has a different skill. Okay, and they are very talented in their skills. Yes, children. So, okay, so today we have learned these are the different skills in the birds and the animals, what they have. So soon we are going to meet in our next class, children. So I hope you all are enjoying the lessons and the classes and learning. Hope you are doing the homeworks also regularly. So okay children, we'll meet soon in our next class. Till then you have to read this poem and also learn. Okay, so once again, sing with me. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. The frogs are hopping just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The rabbits are running just like this, just like this. So here we have sang a poem here, children. You have to sing it, practice it, and learn the poem. So soon we are going to meet in our next class with the new story. Okay, so hope you all have understood, children. So take care, stay home. We'll soon meet in our next class. See you, children. Bye.